Bringing you a quick editing video today. I'm going to show you how to remove these halos in your landscape photos on the horizons or high contrast areas. So we have an image here I took not too long ago, a couple weeks ago. It's okay, nothing special, but just wanted to use this as an example. So we're just going to go ahead and open image. We are in Photoshop. Alright, so we're going to duplicate just so we have a clean copy. And then we're going to go over here to the clone stamp tool. We're going to make sure our opacity is at 100, flow is at 100, and our mode is in darken. Alright, so all you're going to do, zoom in a little bit, all you're going to do is sample right above the halo and then just paint it on. Sample, paint. Alright, so there you go. You can see the halo is gone. Pretty easy technique. Just use that clone stamp and darken mode, and yeah, nice. Did a nice job. You got to be careful sometimes with more difficult areas, of course, but halo gone. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this helps somebody out there looking to try to remove the halos on their image. If you're new, please subscribe. I appreciate it. Like, comment, share, all that. Appreciate it guys, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.